Lattice girder slabs are now part of the precast automation process, following similar configuration rules and workflow as the other existing types of precast elements available in structural precast extension for Revit. Lattice girder slabs are delivered as a semi-finished slabs installed on the construction site and filled with a concrete topping. Now, using structural precast extension for Revit, you can perform segmentation into lattice girder slabs, as well as add reinforcements according to predefined roles to automate the whole process of modeling precast girder slab assemblies. You can use this new type of precast elements in conjunction with the shop drawings and CAM export features for seamless coordination from design to fabrication. This functionality gives you an enhanced and automated design to fabrication process.